myself Runam Sharma and I welcome you to the official channel of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Nahargatia. So today on this auspicious occasion of 5 June, our school is hosting a rally along with so many programs. So I would like to connect to our Eco Club in charge, Miss Nirmala. So here we have our Eco Club is in charge, Miss Nirmala. So here we have our Eco Club coordinator, Miss Nirmala. So this year, with a huge program, our St. Mary's Higher Secondary family is organizing the World Environment Day. So what you would like to promote to the public? So now I would like to hand over the microphone to Ms. Nirmala.
Thank you, Runam. As you have already asked me that to Environment Day, as we are having the Eco Club Association in our school, and it is where we are instilling the small kids about the nature, love for nature. Yes. As today we are having the crisis of everything, natural elements are in the threat, that is land, water, air, all these are getting polluted, and in this condition on the earth, survival is going to be very impossible. How the children will survive? So why not we create awareness among the children right from the school tender age, so that they know how to live with the nature and also protect the nature. Let they pollute less. They contribute to restore the land, water, air. And I hope that yes, we can together do it. We can together do it.
We can join our hands and do it. After a few minutes, I will again approach to you. Thank you, Miss. So here we have the rally followed by our NCC cadets. So next we would like to connect to our NCC in charge. Aloka is here with us. We have Miss Aloka. Miss, what you would like to say that our art is degrading day by day?
Yes, it is, but the thing is that we are responsible for it, so we will take the initiative to clear it out.
So this year, how NCC is responsible in the role of protecting the environment?
Okay, well, you can see in the school they have prepared the notice board and they have participated in the plantation. Along with this, you can witness the rally also. So you can see that how they are participating. Moreover, they are also on the zero waste management thing. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss. So here I'd like to approach to our junior under officer Indraju Gogoi is here. So what, as a youth, what is your message towards the public for this degradation of this environment?
As we all know that on every year 5th June is celebrated Environment Day, and our school, like every year, our school, this year also our school has observed Environment Day by organizing 5 days of program. On each day, different activities took place, like manuring the plants and arranging the notice board and cleaning our school and the classrooms. So at last I would like to give that the environment is not anyone's property to destroy. It's our responsibility to protect it. So we must try our best to protect it in order to save our life, and a healthy environment is our strength. So that is. Thank you.
Thank you, Junior Under Officer Indraju Gogoi.
Water bottle caps. So we should reduce, recycle and reuse.
Now we had approached to our Scouts Master and DOC Sir Montu. So how this year Scouts is responsible for protecting the environment?
Hello, good morning everybody.
Good morning, sir.
Actually today is our program. Being a Scout Master plus DOC of Dibrugarh district, we have so many programs. We already have done 3 days program in our school, and now today we are coming out to aware the people for awareness, and because nowadays everybody knows that in Rajasthan this year there is 52 degrees centigrade. In our local Naharkatia also, last time we have seen reaching to 41 temperature. So these all are causes of pollution and environment lack awareness. So to aware the people of our local people, we are taking out today rally with all the 3 associations of the school, NCC, Scout and Guide and Eco Club. And today we have a wondrous program in our school. It's near about with the chief guest, and we have done almost 2 hours program in our school, and now we are coming to the roadside. Thank you, and say no to plastic and go green. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
To Miss Nirmala. So here we have Miss Nirmala. Miss Nirmala once again. Miss, what you would like to say that means promote public to use natural fertilizers in place of different chemical fertilizers which are available in market. For that, what you would like to say to the public?
Actually, today we see numerous diseases, mostly in the young generation we find the problem of heart attack, the problem of high BP, and many kidney related and other diseases. It is deadly diseases that we are suffering from. It is due to the maximum use of the chemical agricultural products, which we need to stop at any cost in order to ensure the health of the coming generation. So let's boost the use of, instead of chemical fertilizer, we should boost up the organic manure. That is, we do vermicompost, and it is good to use. It is going to restore our soil, and we will be definitely bring our earth to its normal health. And that is what again the dream for greener earth will be truly successful. Thank you, Ronam.
Thank you, Miss. বৰ্তমান আছে আমাৰ বিদ্যালয়ৰ গাইডছ কেপ্টেইন মিছ ডলি। আপুনি আমাৰ যি পৰিৱেশৰ লাহে লাহে ধ্বংস হৈছে, যি আমাৰ নৱপ্ৰজন্মক আপুনি কি ক'ব বিচাৰিব?
মই নাৰকাটিয়া ছেইণ্ট মেৰিজৰ এগৰাকী শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী হিচাপে মেডাম ডলি চাহেবক ক'ব বিচাৰিছোঁ যে আমাৰ 3টা যি এছ'চিয়েশ্যন আছে, সংস্থা আছে, NCC, স্কাউট গাইড এণ্ড ইক' ক্লাব, তাৰ তৰফৰ পৰা মই তেখেতসকলৰ পৰা মই এইটো ক'ব বিচাৰোঁ যে আজিকালি মানুহৰ ইমান বেছি পলিউশ্যন হৈছে, প্ৰদূষণ হৈছে, সেইটোক আমাৰ প্ৰত্যেকজন ব্যক্তিয়ে আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব, চবেই নিজৰ কৰিব লাগিব। ইয়াত আমি যিমানেই ৰেলী নুলিয়াওঁ, যিমানেই নিচিঞৰোঁ, কোনো হেৰি নহয়, লাভ নহয় যদি আমি নিজে যদি সজাগ নহওঁ। আৰু সেইটো কাৰণে মই মোৰ ছেইণ্ট মেৰিজৰ এগৰাকী শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী হিচাপে মই সকলো ৰাইজক অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ যে সকলোৱে যাতে নিজৰ কাম, নিজৰ যিটো দায়িত্ব আছে সেইটো নিষ্ঠা সহকাৰে পালন কৰে। সেয়াই মোৰ ছেইণ্ট মেৰিজ নাৰকাটিয়াৰ তৰফৰ পৰা মোৰ বিনম্ৰ অনুৰোধ মই জনালোঁ। ধন্যবাদ।
তেনেহ'লে ব'লক আমি একেলগ হৈ আমাৰ এই পৃথিৱীখন ধ্বংস হোৱাৰ পৰা আমি বচাওঁ।
Save life! Save life!